What Juneteenth means to me is all about celebration and remembrance, celebrating the fact that since 1619 to 1865, all African Americans were finally free from slavery, and remembering the fact that those sacrifices actually made America the America that we see today.
Juneteenth means to me freedom, respect, and recognition. Not only does it show that our ancestors' fighting wasn't in vain, it's showing the future generation to keep fighting for what they know is right.
Juneteenth means so much to me. Not only is it a day that we get off from work with pay, but it's a day that we get to celebrate my culture being free from slavery. I just appreciate Nissan giving us a day off with pay to celebrate with our family on Juneteenth, because it's a very special day for us. And I just want to say thank you, and I'm ready to celebrate our end of slavery.
Juneteenth means to me just celebrating our Black culture. To me, being Black is my biggest flex. I wore this hat today to represent the 2-time Grammy Award winning Tennessee State University, which is also my alma mater. We spend Juneteenth just hanging out with family and friends and just getting to know our history and our culture a little bit better. I hope everyone out there has a happy Juneteenth.